Hey guys, this is Russell. Now, we're going to go over in this video the custom templates. And just to give you a brief explanation of what the custom templates does, it lets you actually get a more perfect match to your client's brand, because this is actually creating an HTML page for desktop and then also for mobile. Now, if you're just getting started out and you don't know how to do HTML, you don't know how to do mobile code, we are arranging for a team of outsourcers to provide these services for you, because we highly recommend that the first thing you do is get your own custom portal set up for your own brand so that you have something to show and demonstrate to your prospects. So that's the first thing you want to do after you get set up, is you want to build your own portal for your own brand. And we recommend that you use the custom templates, because most of your clients are going to really like the custom templates as opposed to the system templates that are a little bit more simple. So let me get on with it. There are some things that you need to understand about the custom templates that's very important to make the system work when you have your coder or our team, who our team will already know about this, but you need to know as well. There are some things that you need to make sure that you put in the code in between the header tags, which is this token right here, and then the div ID for your stars. Wherever you place this in the code is where your stars will show up on the page. Now, one thing that we've done for you is we've given you some sample code. So everything that you build, let's just scroll up here, everything that you set up for your image, for your header, your background image if you have one, your video, any color that you're choosing, however you align it, and any text, and how you set up your stars, it all has what we call a corresponding token. So if you didn't want to do custom HTML coding for the desktop, you can just make sure you build out all the areas up here, right? The header section, the background section, the video section, the text section, and your stars, so get those all set up. All you have to do is come over here and hit the sample code, and whatever you entered into those sections, you can just copy and paste this in here. Just select it all, copy, and paste it in here. You have to enable first and paste it in here. So the great thing about this is it puts the token in here for you. Okay, if you are using custom coding through your team or whatever, you need to make sure that they put this token in between the header tags, anywhere in between the head tags. And then the stars right here, you can make sure that goes in between the body tag. Wherever you put that is where they'll show up on the page. These tokens here, so if you see, this is the header image. So whatever image that you uploaded here at the top, okay, is what the custom template will call to show. The same with the video, and if you're going to use the demo portal, the demonstration portal, then you're going to have the section for the demo link, and then the landing content corresponds to this area right here. So it's all pretty straightforward. I know it might look a little confusing, but you'll get used to it. And then the total stars. So the stars are going to be wherever you place them on the page. Now we also provide you the sample code for the mobile. However, you need to realize that this is actually regular HTML. It's not mobile optimized. So what I really recommend that you do is if you want to keep the look that we give you for desktop, you can just use the sample code. But if you want the highest level of branding possible, our team knows how to brand the portals to look just like your customer's brand. And then they're also going to know how to do the mobile code as well and enter in all the correct tokens where they're supposed to be. And so to enable custom templates, you have to make sure that you have this checked, and then whatever HTML code you put in here is what will show up on your customer's portal. Okay, so now let me show you the positive side. Okay, the positive side works the same way. So it's going to call for the background color, the video, and the content, and if you've got any coupons enabled or not, your fields, and then your content, and then also your links for your third-party images. So if you look over here and we enable this, you'll see that we have the tokens for all those respective areas as well. The video, okay, the content window, the editor, the text area under the video, the links for your third-party sites, and if you have a coupon, then that would go in there as well, and then your fields. So again, you can just copy, select all, and copy, and paste that right in there, and it will show up exactly how you have set it up here. Okay, now we have some extra fields, extra areas as well. So if you enable custom templates, that means you need to remember that you have to have code in every section. If you don't put any code here, then it will just be blank if someone tries to go. If someone, let's see, we're in the positive rating area. So if someone goes to the review portal and they click on 5 stars on their mobile, and you didn't put any code in here, they're not going to see anything. We give you sample code here as well. And your coder will know how to use these tokens if it's required. But again, we recommend for it to have the highest level of mobile compliance that you have the outsourcers do this as well. And then there's one more section for each of these is the thank you page at the end of the process. All right, so this enables you to make it completely seamless all the way through for a great mobile experience, which is going to be very important because a lot of clients like to push the mobile, push for their customers to use the QR code. So over here we have the same thing. All you have to do is just make sure you enable these, and you can copy and paste the code for desktop however you want, or again you can have your outsourcer or our team do that for you. We're very reasonable. It's not like WSO pricing cheap because it's done very professionally, and the coders really know what they're doing. So you really pay for what you get. All right, and additionally, you have the last page for the thank you page at the end. You have a desktop version, okay, and you have a mobile browser version. All right. Now you don't have to use these right away. You can start setting up your portals right away without using the custom templates. But we highly recommend that you take advantage of this feature to get the most professional look and the most satisfaction from your clients. So that's how you use the custom template area. All right, that's pretty much it for the Review Century training. If there's anything more that I come up with, I'll be adding it to the members area. Talk to you soon.